There were 5 types of chemical reactions. First one combination reaction, second one decomposition reaction, then the third one was displacement reactions. And what are displacement reaction? Displacement reaction will be of the kind like this: A plus BC, that gives AC plus B. It will be in this format, okay? Or we can define this displacement reaction as a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element. A more reactive element displaces a less reactive element in a reaction. It displaces. Displaces means one element will remove another element and it will take its position. So here A removes B. A removes B from BC, is it? A removes B from BC and it stays or sits at the place of B. That is called a displacement. Removing and staying at another element's place. Okay, so A plus BC will become AC plus B. It will be in this format. Let us consider some examples. Zinc reacts with HCl and we will get what? Here this is zinc, this is HCl. So here zinc actually zinc is a metal and it forms positive ions. And here HCl means there will be H plus ions and Cl minus actually. We can think like that, okay? Then this positive and negative will combine always. The tendency will be like that. So zinc chloride will be forming, okay? Zinc chloride will be forming. So you will get zinc chloride, and what is remaining then? Hydrogen will be displaced. So hydrogen will be formed. Okay. So this equation is also not balanced. 2 hydrogen is there. So we have to balance the equation by adding 2 here. Every time you have to write an example, a balanced equation only. Okay. So this is an example for displacement reaction. Another example, let us see. Again zinc, instead of HCl, let us write H2SO4, that is our sulfuric acid. And what we will get? Here A is there, B, C, okay. So these two will combine, is it? These two will combine. So we will get zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Plus what is remaining? Hydrogen is remaining. So these are 2 examples for displacement reaction. Next, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. So in this case, there will be an exchange of ions. So 2 compounds exchange their ions to form new compounds. That is the definition. 2 compounds exchange their ions to form new compounds. So suppose AB is a compound, another compound it is CD, then what will happen? It will exchange their ions. So when we usually write a compound like sodium chloride, the first element will be of positive charge and the second element will be of negative charge. Okay, so we will write like that in such an order: metal first, then non-metal. Okay, so here usually it will be of positive charge, B will be of negative charge, C will be of positive charge, D will be of negative charge. So what will happen? It will interchange their ions. It will interchange their ions. So here A will combine with D and B will combine with C. Means they are just interchanged, is it? So A and D will combine. So you will get AD plus BC. Just interchanged, is it? So this is the general format of the equation, double displacement reaction. Let us take some examples. FeS plus H2SO4 gives what? What will be the product? So here it will be Fe will be positive, S will be negative, H will be positive, SO4 will be negative. So these two will combine and these two will combine, is it? So you will get FeSO4 plus H2S. Let us take one more example. barium chloride plus sodium sulfate gives what? So here barium will be of positive charge, chlorine negative charge, sodium negative, SO4 minus. So these two will combine and these two will be combining. And what you will get? Barium sulfate plus what is remaining then? Sodium and chlorine. So sodium chloride. So this way you can yourself write the RHS of the equation.